Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla if you are new, and this is Vlogmas Day 2. So if you want to see what I have in my purse, just keep watching. So as you can see from the title, this will be a what's in my bag video. So this is a Louis Vuitton that I've had for some years now. I really am not even sure what it's called anymore. Like, I know it's a Monogram. I forgot what type of purse it is, but I'll just put the title of the purse, like I'll just pop it up on the screen somewhere, but yeah. So it's definitely used and loved, and you know, I put everything in this purse. Now sometimes it does get annoying because it's heavy, because it doesn't have any straps or anything, just has these handles. I still have my little lock and key, but soon I'll be retiring this purse to just have it as decor. But until then, until I get another one to replace it, we're still gonna rock with this. And I think one day I do actually want to get like a little stamp from like Saks Fifth. I think they do that for free. So yeah. Anyway, in the front of my purse, it just has like this pocket here, and I don't really have much in there, but I have a coupon for something I'm supposed to be doing for influencers soon, and then just my little casino card has my full name on it, so I will not be showing that. But yeah, that's all I have in the front pocket, nothing too major or anything. And then on the inside, it has like these little pockets. There's 4 pockets and they're all full. Hopefully you can see it, but anyway, so in the first little pocket here, I do have this little mini deodorant because I feel like you shouldn't go anywhere without some deodorant. You never know what might happen. You might forget to put it on. You might start sweating. I don't know, but just make sure you always have some extra deodorant in your bag. And a lot of this stuff is probably irrelevant, but it's in here. So also in that same pocket, I have this little Fenty Beauty lipstick. Just, oh, okay. It's just some like maroon colored lipstick. So I have that in that pocket. And then I have this little cute little gel pen from the Dollar Tree, because you never know when you might need a pen. So I've noticed that whenever I need a pen the most, I don't have one. So it's here staying in this hat, okay? So in the next pocket, you'll notice that I have a lot of lotion in this purse because we don't like to be ashy. We like to keep lotion on deck. So in the next pocket, I just have this miniature Pure Seduction from Victoria's Secret. Then why is it gone, everything? What is going on? This is gross. Just ignore the grossness. But then I have the matching spray, because you never know when you might need some spray and lotion. And then this other one is Magic in the Air. This is from Bath & Body Works. This is from Victoria's Secret. This is just a nice little lotion. Then on the other side, on the other pockets, I just have a little makeup brush because I always have to touch up my face because I'm oily. I always have to powder my face. This is really raggedy, but it's some nice powder. It's a Wet n Wild contour palette, and actually it's not that bad for using as an all over face powder because it's not that dark. As you can see, I broke the banana powder side, so I dropped it multiple times to the point of it just disintegrated. So that's nice. Is there? I feel like I have feathers on my face. I have some more. It's raggedy looking, but I use my stuff. This is just the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Diamond Milk. It has lipstick because I always top my lipstick with this. I just have like a little bit left, and it's time to re-up. This is just some little generic lip gloss I got from Beauty Supply, because you never know when you need lip gloss. Like, we always need lip gloss. Oh, I have a random dollar in there. Don't know what I might need that for, but it's there. Then of course I have just some random lip liner, because I always need to touch up my makeup. You always need your good lip liner on deck. And then this is some Mario Badescu lip balm, which is almost gone. This is really good. I got this from Sephora. I love it, especially at night when you just want to put something on your lips, or if you're not wearing any makeup, you just want to throw on like some lip balm. And there's my lip liner just to roll across the floor. Also in that pocket, I just have a little Summer's Eve wipe, just for when you just want to freshen up, whether it's that time of the month or not. Sometimes you just want to freshen up. So that's all that's in that pocket. And then in my next pocket, I just have some little tissues. This one, I just had it left over because I got my daughter some tissues, and this is a shop. Okay, hopefully it doesn't cut off this time. This is just the other little tissue I have in my purse because why not? You need tissue, you never know what might happen. So also in that pocket here, a ratty little brush because you don't know when you might need a brush. I have eye drops because for some reason now, I don't know if it's lashes or glue or whatever it is, my eyes get really dry whenever I have lashes on or makeup, so I have to keep eye drops to keep my eyes moisturized. Then I have this little keychain that broke off my keys. This is just a little Porsche. And then I have an adapter because I always find myself in Ubers with my phone dying, and with the way things are going these days, we need to keep these phones charged. And then in the middle part of my purse, of course, I just have my makeup bag. I just keep all the things I'm currently using in this. I got this makeup bag from Ipsy. I have millions of them. So just at the moment, I have this little Kat Von D compact. My lip combo that I'm wearing right now, which is just this NYX lip liner. This is, I don't know, just something from the beauty supply. And then I have this Revlon nude lipstick. So that's my little combo for today. And then I just have like chapstick in here and blush, some Victoria's Secret lip gloss, just little makeup essentials. I also have like some setting powder just in case, but we don't really need to get into all that. Then this is my little emergency bag. This was actually a little bag I got from Sephora when I used to subscribe to their Play subscription. As you can see, there is more lotion in here. This is the 1,000 Wishes from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good. And of course, you have to have hand sanitizer at all times because, especially right now while it's flu season, it's nasty. You touch things that other people are touching, especially like after the gas pump. Gas pumps are really starting to gross me out these days. I don't know what it is. I think I'm just really thinking about the fact that so many nasty hands have touched it, and it's just stressing me out. So this is a little Sephora like moisturizing face spray. This is an impulse buy. I don't really use it at all. I don't know what I would use it for. Yeah, so I have that in there just in case I find a use for it. And of course I have more perfume because we like to smell good over here at all times. This is the You So Sexy from Victoria's Secret. This is just a little trial size. Random little penny liner because you don't know, you might need one. And of course, for that time of the month. And then I have a small Sol de Janeiro lotion. Smells amazing. The Bum Bum cream, the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, which I am meaning to buy a big one because I love how it smells. And then I also have this little Native natural deodorant. This actually smells, oh, it's dirty. I'm sorry, gum. I don't know where this gum is coming from. But this is like, it smells like coconuts. It smells really good. Then I just have this new little Neutrogena wipe. I find these really useful, especially while traveling. So whether I have makeup on or not, if I'm like taking a road trip or I'm on a plane, just like to use this to clean my face. Or if I just need to take my makeup off really quick, I like to keep that in my purse so I can do so. More gum. And this is just an inhaler. I'm gonna have to find out where that gum is coming from because it's everywhere. Inhaler because I have asthma and I don't want to die. Said in my last video, it's not a video of mine if I don't drop something on the floor. So that's all that's in my little emergency bag. Next here, this is just another hand sanitizer. It's a keychain hand sanitizer. Don't know why it's not on my keys, but yeah, hand sanitizer and lotion is a must. You need to keep that around. Then this is just a small little sample size of Allura Mercier powder. Because like I said, I'm oily. Usually I have blotting papers, but I don't know where they are right now, so they're not in here. But I do like to keep just some powder on deck. So then this is just my little sunglasses case. Right now, I've had these forever and they're probably dusty. These are just some little Gucci glasses. I've had them for, I don't know, probably about 6 years. So the Gucci in the corner is almost completely faded away, but they're still nice sunglasses, so keep those nice in the case. I don't know where my actual glasses are, but I have a phone case, a glasses case for my actual glasses because I am blind as a bat. The last thing in my purse is just this little Michael Kors clutch. The only reason it's in there is because I switched out to this little clutch one day. I got lazy and did not take the stuff out, so it's just in here as a wallet because if you can see, I don't have a wallet in here. So of course I just have my cards and my ID in here, you know. This is just my little Cash App card. So I do use Chime, like I stated before. So if you do sign up with Chime, I'll leave the referral link down below, but if you do sign up with Chime, your first qualifying direct deposit gets you $50 and it gets me $50, so we'll both be winning. And even if you don't want to keep it after that, that's fine, but you'll at least get one check with the extra $50, so that's nice. More lotion. This is the hand cream from Bath & Body Works called Into the Night. And what else is in here? Just another little, I don't know if this is lip liner, eyeliner, I don't know, but I use it as lip liner because it's brown. So dropping more stuff on the floor. And other than that, it's just trash in here and a little bit of change. That is pretty much it. So that'll be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I decided since this is my first Vlogmas and I don't have things to do every single day, I am just gonna upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays of this month. So I hope that you guys like that video. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.